Dear students, welcome back. In this session, we just want to talk about sorting the cost function. It is important to determine the sort of the population because we just want to evaluate this population and determine the best solution. So here we just wanted to about the sort function. For this reason, we have to collect all costs into a special matrix named cost, and then we have to try to sort them. And based on this sort, we have wanted to sort our population. So let's just get started. Here, after initializing, we have to sort all function here. So we have this code here. Cost would be equal pop.cost. It means that all costs would be stored in this matrix. So, and then we have to just sort this cost, and as you remember that we have a sort function. So suppose that we just wanted to use sort this function. We have a sort, and we have this matrix here, and we just copy it out of our codes, and x would be equal, z would be equal to this value, and this is our z. So sort z would be something like that, and we have also used this function here. It means that we have two values. The first one is sx, and the second one would be so for sorting z. So so just return us the index of the sorted value here. So we have here that z, the third index, which is the minimized value here, and this is just sorted, and this is just index set related to this sorted value. So let's just get back to our code and see what we can do. So here we have costs here, so we just want to use sort. We have two output here: sorted cost and sorted index would be equal to sorted cost. So let's just apply this code, save it, and we have our CLC. So we have a sorted cost here. As you can see that this is just minimized value of the sort all cost, and this is just index related to this sorted cost. So we wanted to sort this cost, sort all population based on this sorted index. So pop would be pop that be reordered based on this sorted index. So this is our new pop, and we have also determined the best solution, and we just use best solve for determine best solution. So pop 1 here would be the best solution for our cost. So we have a best solution here. This would be the first pop, first actually sorted pop, and then we have to store the best solution. We have to store the best cost for any iteration. So we have to define a matrix with the size of max it by 1. Best cost would be zeros. So here we just have done the code. Let's just add some comment here.